How to make dance poster in Photoshop. Add a image. Click Fill and Adjustment layer, then click Levels. Adjust the levels. Click Fill and Adjustment layer, then click Curves. Adjust the curves. Click Fill and Adjustment layer, then click Gradient Map. Choose a gradient. Click Blend Mode. Choose a screen. Open Layer Style, then untick G. Click Blend Mode Dissolve. Adjust a underlying layer. Select a layer's right-click, then click Merge Layers. Add a street background. Change background color to black. Opacity 28%. Click Fill and Adjustment layer, then click Gradient Map. Choose a gradient. Click Blend Mode, choose a overlay. Select a layer's right-click, then click Merge Layers. Adjust the size. Open Layer Style. Click Drop Shadow. Adjust shadow setting. Change shadow color. Again, adjust shadow setting. Click a shape. Make a circle shape. Click Filter, click Blur, then click Gaussian Blur. Radius 161.8. Open Layer Style. Opacity 52%. Click a text. Write a text. Adjust text setting. Change a text color. Right-click text layer, then click Convert to Smart Object. Click Filter, then click Liquify. Make a melt effect. Right-click text layer, then click Convert to Smart Object. Open Layer Style. Click Drop Shadow, then choose a color. Adjust shadow setting. Select a layer's right-click, then click Merge Layers. Open Layer Style. Click Drop Shadow, then choose a color. Click Inner Glow, then choose a color. Adjust the inner glow setting. Click Fill and Adjustment Layer, then click Solid Color, then choose a color. Right-click, then click Clipping Mask. Click Blend Mode, choose a hard mix. Select a layers, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Select a layers, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Add a paint splash PG. Open Layer Style. Click Satin, then choose a color. Make a copy. Select a layers, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Opacity 60%. Crop a image. Select a layers, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Click Fill and Adjustment Layer, then click Color Lookup. Choose a LUT. Select a layers, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Click Filter, then click Add Noise. Amount 37.64%.